Hi all, welcome back to another session on web methods. So in this session, I wanted to show how we can do a kind of async processing using the schedulers. So web methods provides scheduler functionality where you can uh, add complex task, repeating task, or one-time task. So here I'm taking a use cases. So one application is running some data, running some process, and that process will trigger some other process in some other application, and that application will write a file to one location. So when this process is running, it doesn't wait for the response from the other service. It just processes this and prints the data in the integration server thing. I'm from flow one, and the second one, after executing after a certain amount of time, let's say 20 seconds, it will write it as I am from flow 2, and the file will be created in the location. So let's see how that can be done in web methods. So what I'm going to do is I created a service here called scheduler. In this, first I need to, in order to get the scheduler right, first we need to have the times. So let's see what scheduler expects in time format. So it expects YYYY HH colon colon SS in slash format. So first I'll get the date. We can use pub dot date colon get current date time, and I want it to be 4y slash slash dd and HH colon colon SS. You can write two services saying that, okay, I need date once and time once, but I wanted to get it in one step. So I did it as like this. And once that is done, once I got the date, our requirement is like, I want to execute the service after 20 seconds. So we can leverage the use of pub dot date time colon increment. So here we'll increment the time by 20 seconds. So the pattern is the one from the same step above, and the value is from the above step, and we want it to be run after 20 seconds. Yeah. So once that is done, I don't want all these variables, so I'll drop it. Don't need the value also. I only need end date in this. So once this is done, what I want to do is I wanted to schedule the service. So for that, we need pub dot scheduler add one time task. Yeah. So add one time task has service as mandatory field, and rest all are optional, and date and time is expected. But we are getting date and time in one step itself. So what we can do is we can use pub dot string colon tokenize and then delimit it. I'm giving a space there, so I'll delimit it, and I don't need these two guys here. In fact, I don't need this also. So here at the end, I want date, which is in 0th occurrence, and time is in first occurrence. And these are all optional, but this field is needed. Otherwise, we'll get the error saying that access denied and all. And description, let's keep it as scheduler demo. And service, I have written a dummy service. which will just write this data to this file. So what I will now do is let's copy the name of the service, the fully qualified name, and the point to remember is I am not specifying in which server the scheduler need to be executed. So this service, the subscriber service or the target service should be there in both the servers. So it can execute at any place, like any of the server. But if you wanted to execute a specific server, you need to just give the name of the server here, and that should take care of it. Let me drop this. Done, and at the end I'll say I am executed or something. Just note saying that okay, I got executed successfully. Say I am from flow one. Yeah, that's it. And here I get the debug log as I am from flow two. So first message should get triggered as is, and after 20 seconds, the second message needs to get printed, and the file needs to be placed here. So I'll just run this for now. Yeah, it said it added the file there. So if I go to scheduling, this service should be there, scheduler demo, and it is active. And if I go to logs, server log, I am from flow one is there, and after 20 seconds, let's say 32, I need to get the other message here. See, first message got triggered at 12, and exactly at 32, it got executed, and the file is also placed here. So this is how you can achieve async processing in case you don't have universal messaging and you wanted to sleep the server for some time and execute the other service. Thank you.